Tunde. You see, there's this friend of mine. He traveled outside. He went to Maloka Tuba, right? Yeah. He's in town as I speak with you. A friend of Mike. When I'm saying the business, what about? He doesn't know the kind of business I do. Now, this new type Chevrolet to be a bar, I have an eye for that car. Color no say black. Or telling them in top, but when they no, when they mentor them, find free. I take them. Now you see, as I speak with you now, the next 1 hour, you car now headed towards Forest Lady to Dansumano. I want you guys go out there and bring that car to me.
Okay.
The person Christmas and I'm the Twi Street.
Alright.
Whoever will stand between you guys and the car, shoot that person.
Yes, sir, boss.
I trust you guys.
Yes, sir,
You see, when you succeed, of course, I know you guys will succeed. I have 10,000 Ghana for each of you. Just go out there and chill. Huh? Alright, vamos.
Alright, boss, yeah.
Vamos.
Alright.
Out.
Guys, let's go.
You got bullets on you? You got bullets?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, Mike. What's over talker? Mike. If you break my heart, I will date your anchor.
Sabra boy cry, me bonny saying. Me come chi and as me come in. This party coming up. In this kebia me because all my friends are going. I asked my sister about it and nothing. She can't help me. Neither my brother. Even the work that my brother is doing is not even cool. Oh God. And I'm gonna have a great opportunity if I go to this program. Big men, MPs, ministers. Who? Lord help me.
nyame kesia ono fodoso awrade nyankopon bo nso ba wie David ba yesu wa ko ma ba wani mo agents of this God the I am that I am the supreme man the wonderful God the miracle God o nyame wa ambassador so o nyame ya prekese nyame do fiti ko tena no bona fiamoi masaba de mo wa kwa sabo kuma memba bonita awrade sawa kwa ya mad prophet awrade wo di for maba awrade kasano agents of this God the I am that I am my father my brother mama wa awrade memba bonita sa chewe mame na ti wa kwa Spirit of God oh God of fire ayakana bara masuaya na bara I come against any demonic and satanic, any entity that stands against your life, oh God. I break any attack in your life. Fire Holy Ghost. Fire Holy Ghost. I command the spirit that fight against you. I rather make you a wapi or how near Jesus Christ. We ayada basu annabraba yanda basu annabraba tedi afon kwabe odo trobo sunyame ayebiafo juda mujata kaso Jesus abrantia abradiajo kone kodi adansia aje ni pa na momu se yasum nyame otiati yasum de wawo kone kodi adansia mani pa na wudi asafo radia ya oh
These you girls have turned my whole house into a spiritual camp, right? I don't like it, man. What's the meaning of this? Miliki girl, how are you doing? Shut up! Shut up! I call this spiritual fantasy, and I rebuke you in the name of Emperor Selassie, I am man.
But do something.
There's nothing to be done. Follow me.
minim composable. Can you believe Seneway? Me buy a business. Not Nasa baby would give me kiki. Is a make a more quid in a cheap pants, man can go to the home. Oh, Cobra.
And so?
It's me about show. What about dear young condition away? And suddenly be out to me. Can't quite beat me up on.
Tina. So, you've come to report Bernice to the psychiatric doctor. If she's not feeling well, you have to take her to the psychiatric doctor who will look into the brains and diagnose what is wrong with her. Not me. I'm a Rastafarian. I do serious business. So I think you are the wrong location.
She's only stout. The smallest amongst us.
Excuse me. Tina, excuse me. So why you not going to look for her? Also, you're not communicating with me. You're only talking, but you're not making sense. Bruh, then it's identity. What the fuck is that?
So what are you going to do if something happens to the girl?
Bombakla.
At least give me the car keys. Let me go and look for her.
Oh, the car you bought with your money. Oh, my money.
Oh, right now, yes, sir.
Come on, Vamoose. What's the meaning of this? When is Yake now? I'm sitting here comfortably enjoying my wine, waiting for my business partner. What the fuck is that? Boomerang! When they met if you're not and you just go through unnecessary research and searching. That's why in the beginning Adam started complaining, said, women when they come into your life, they scatter. And they scatter. Uno baba tene ka odin prekunta obewa. Wa semi appetite kwa. Nahi.
It's okay. Calm down, okay? Just listen to me. It's me, Bernice. Just wait to me. Bernice! Please, wait, just... Bernice, wait. Bernice, no. Bernice, it's me. Please, Bernice! What is going on? Oh my God. Young lady, what is wrong? I think I need help. I think I need help. Somebody help me! God. Somebody help me!
help me! Your helper is here. Bring the coffee. Bring the fucking coffee! Shut up! Hey!
Man, what from these cockroaches, man?
Boss, yawa pie.
And what is it?
Yawa pie. You grahona and a teacher.
Fuck up. What can I stop you talking, sir? You come and stand before me and you say Yawapa. What's the meaning of that? If anything at all, you just troop into my house like snake and insects. And what kind of bullshit is that?
Yes, sir.
I prefer you people die rather than come here and tell me bullshit.
Yes, sir, boss.
Huh? I sent you out there to go and rob, not to come back and tell me shit.
Yes, sir, boss.
So how do you want me to take care of you? Huh? Look, the next time you do this bullshit, man, I'll put your fucking health.
Yes,
just
boss.
get inside there and take those insects over there. Then you vamoose. Get lost.
Yes, sir, boss.
Clear off. Fuck you. I'm a best man and what Jimmy say. Huh? I go date your father. Then I will marry your mother. Fucking hell. What kind of robbery is that? You go out there, instead of robbing, you just come back and tell me, say, Yawa pie.
Anipida, Jesus, Fanny body enemy. Me say to me at the pediamo. Say free now calling to me. Fanny Trivian. Me so I command you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. May the word you must see. Jesus. How many teacher? Never me uncle Bompire. Mompa man teacher in the moment. I don't want the man at you. Who are Bompire?
Spirit of God, Kaya Diba Masu Adabada Kadabasu Anda. Mami, Eden I am.
Jaminimo, you will fear some, Mammy. I mean, dear Haneja.
Karabasu Ayandibri Adabasu Andabadaba. Oh God of fire, my maker, Dibasu Andabaha, Dibaha, Dimachi. Twi adakarabasu ndahayanda.
Joshua Nyamye I call you, oh God, Spirit of God. I'm not down no for those way. Mama, when this one jump for you, I'm more free, Baba. I'm more free, Jimmy Yankopo. In the Yankopo to me, sway. I ready to have our friend in Guasian to them. What was your 40 day or you take now? David Bayer soon, Mama said, what I had Jesus. I separate you from thunder. I separate you from Kinda Papa Handicada Suayana. Branda Papa Pakuana. Made was it a girl? My Sammy Dion, one made your vote. I am your boy. I want to do one try. One to do one try. One to do one try. Yeah! Me won't have in the world. I give you glory, oh God. Agents of this God, I thank you, God. I bless your name.
Hey, ala kia mamaki yare babanjira kai yaro shegun ne yana jira wai naji to naji ba
Mpacham dem mami ko prayer camp na wo ha sei. Ela mi hu nua Benis on na mo pasa akasa no kra won fie. Na mba sem be catch us so go for hwehwe.
You mean you saw my sister Benis in the forest? Kai. Mamma mia. Okay, thank you, okay. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have a boyfriend? You don't have a boyfriend, right? Okay, you can go, right? Yeah, Tunde. Where are you guys? Gather your men. I need you in the house now. I've got some work for you to do, okay? Alright, bye. Lady, Bachobra. What do you say your name is?
Mary.
Oh, More Maria. The mother of Christ, eh? You're looking so pretty. Get inside, okay? Why? You are the first person to refuse me. But I always refuse people who refuse my proposals. Huh? Get inside. Ukwedu, I have a wonderful person for you, okay? Hey, get inside. Krasiniba. We have someone keka. So, all information. And my banana keka. We cast me no make area. What do you want to take?
Ayakadi be Sukanda. Ayadabadaba. Ayanda Kinibukum Pukanda. Rodaba Pumulko Ayanda. Hey! Hanibri Ayakada Suanda. Randa Bayada Karasuanda. Hey! Randa Bi Ayakada Basuanda. Yay! Dambi Kaya Badabadaba. Hey! Ayakada Suanda Bribia. Kanda Bayaba Mando Sukanda. Hey! Kayandaba. I give you praise, O God, I glorify your name in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. The I am that I am, O God.
Weni makumaswadie. Weni makumaswadie. Weni makumaswadie. Weni makumaswadie. Weni makumaswadie. Eradie. Weni makumaswadie. Weni makumaswadie. Weni makumaswadie. Meradie se. Amamiyo yeni. Amakwamba sesadie. Amakasanya mibiareni wo. Weni makumaswadie. Awurade. Weni makumaswadie. Weni makumaswadie. Weni makumaswadie.
Odi for me dance. Anopa me pesi ehwe nyame asem. Asem na wi an se so already nyankopon di ne mra nsem ne so. Me pese ye ko invitiation no nyama awurade boy ene se do si yo no. Na me so ka Genesis chapter 2 verse 4 ema me ko
Adebosu edin from Genesis chapter 2 verse 4. Was he yen do asoro any asase a won to aso a won boy wo bo won mu. E dey ready nyankopon yo asase ni asoro no. Na afuo mu nua nyina nya ma asase so. Na afuo mu aha nyina afi.
Where's my sister? Hey! Where do you think you're going? Huh? Where's my sister?
Who is standing there?
Where's my fucking sister?
Who is there? I'm not seeing your butt.
Where's she? Where's my sister? Hey!
Oh!
Listen to me.
Only day.
Don't fuck with me, right? Come on!
Hadabasu ayandibri. Hadakadaba munkudim asu andaha.
What is that?
Agents of this God.
Where Jimmy and Your nyas.
Kadabadabasu andaha.
Yes, I'm calling them Prahe Salasi. I am man. Don't fuck with me, right?
No. Hey!
Fire go burn them one by one. Where's my sister? Listen to me. These bullets are for the best in the air. Next time when I come down. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers.
I give you praise, oh God. I thank you, oh God. I oh God of fire.
But what about that one mean to me to your Bible?
My maker. Oh God of fire. Abra manya ye. David ba. Ah da ba su an da kiri mi namba popo ni mi an so da. Oh! Ha! Oh, my yeah. Ha da ba su. Oh, swa. Ni sui.
Waramunim, ma brabo. Manye.
Ne babe. Oh, Ani kala bada basuana. Ini namba puak kala basuana. Maya. Maya. Asante. Adei.
Where is my sister?
Ah, Jadi ampun kwam. Makane presa so na kire wo. Se unu aba na wo ba na so wate ayira. Akwai mpa abo ni to kwaje.
Don't angry me. Don't fuck with me. I don't care killing you.
Spirit of God! Hanabaswanda Bapayana! Ha? Hanabaswanda! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Mamma mia. This short dwarf is too mysterious. How could he resist my bullets. What is a gun I be using to kill people all this while? Mamma mia. That guy is a demon. No, he's a demon. Oh, is he wearing a bulletproof? No, he's wearing just an ordinary cassock. No, something ought to be done. I feel defeated. I have to go and adopt another scheme and strategy. I have to map up a strategy. We use your drama. Papa Egman Masi. Me of all people. I'll be back. So where are you going?
I had to go town.
You to go what?
Oh, I had to go to a job.
No. And you may operation be here. No, come on. Now what kind of job is more honorable than what they're doing?
Oh, what I tell you yesterday, say me, I'm not going to do that thing again.
Yes, I thought you were drunk. And when I'm saying about here, you're talking rubbish.
Oh, no.
When people take alcohol, they talk rubbish.
I don't drink. You know, say me, I'm right now, I don't drink. I've shown they drink long time.
But you and I also know, say, we know, we are bound by some powers. Just like that.
Me, that's you know, they bind me again, no. You know, they bind me. I tell you, even President Mills, as he did the sit-up where he died, nothing will stop in death. No be now, but me, where some spiritual father will tell me, say, if you son they do this, I go do that. I be young girl, oh. I be young girl. I get better opportunities. So you know, if you take your something, come to chill me, say, Chinchina, make a go still. I don't go still again. You old man, if you die, nothing will happen.
Come on, so you mean to tell me, sir, my sir? Because that these young girls, they call me bra. They call me bra Kwame, right? Because they know, sir, me are very young. And we'll be and just back when you need that one. Give me a break. What the fuck is that? Huh? Yeah, you're pushing me, yeah. Well, you also more honorable than this. You just go out there, you will kill somebody, you take Nipakono. They are taking so many years to make. Simple. Pow. That time you are working out. Are you going to do Zoom Lion? Chop bar work? Are you going to sell pure water or meat bar?
What is worse than getting crazy and going to live in the forest? What is worse than sitting down and seeing imaginary friends or having imaginary friends? Yeah, me that time I don't go do them again. I beg. If you go, tell the spiritual father, say, me right now, I'll be the spirit.
Akuya, you are a joker. Say, what's your Jimmy Nakokojana said to Atanako perform way? You are a joker. Can you just walk out on me like that? Hey, in your bay. Very soon I'll personally attend your funeral and I'll read your biography. And I'll tell the whole world how you died. You died peacefully, but in pain. Tunde, where are you guys? Good baby, I'm money. Don't come to the house. Me and your bar, man, no. She's she's walking out, which is not possible. She also black tracksuit, right? No, she canvas white to be. Bags in Sen, trail home. Edinburgh was a Nike, so dear no, she be. When you get her. Baby, you will be a moon no namun shooting no money to it told me from Mooney, young man in test and emitter. Good movie, I want family coaching. On for 1 month, so. Obi on back a abono. There be a yes, boss. What the corner of you can't meet me here. Cooperation pass it that. Then will come back and tell me, say, Yawa Wunni. What did the cooperation be no feeling? Tina.